Alright, ayan. Okay, last segment na po tayo. Last segment na po
Let's
tayo,
go.
mga yotits. Ayan. At, yan, nawala na po si Topper. Topper, asan ka na?
Top!
Topper! Yan na, nagano na naman tayo. Nag-Basil Valdez na naman tayo. Anyway, so, um, any last words, Tito March? Wow, last words talaga yun. No?
Last words, no?
Mm.
Kakatakot, ah.
Ayan, kasi mas nakakatakot si Direk.
Oo
Ayan
nga,
na.
eh.
Ayan na. Hindi
Nandiyan na siya.
nakakatakot si Direk. Ayan na si Topper. Ayan na, ayan na. Okay. Okay,
Nasaan na
ayan.
siya? Dali.
Direk. Sorry, Direk. Ito na. Ito na po. Okay. So, ito na ang ating last segment, last part ng ating programa. Um, si Topper kasi. Ang pinag-usapan natin yun si Topper. Okay.
Mm.
Topper, take it away.
Nan
Last segment
nandito
na.
na segment na ba? Ay, sige, sige.
Oo.
Ayan. So, ayun nga ulit guys. So, sa topic about narcissism, marami pa yan na dapat nyo talagang i-make sure to do your
Mm.
research first
Mm.
sa
Mm.
Google Scholar, kung gusto nyo po
Google?
kung naiinganyo, makapag, alam mo, magtumingin ng mga actual journal articles
Mm.
about it. It's really wide. Pero meron kasi kaming pinagbabasehan na
Mm.
libro
Mm.
for determining yung mga these types of again human disorders. And
Oo.
Mm.
one thing that we have to understand is we are trying to understand the human person,
Oo.
not parang we don't judge, we don't condemn
Mm.
the person,
True,
but we
that's
are trying
true.
to do the
Mm.
actions to know how to deal with them better. Kasi the more you understand or are made aware of how their mind works or how a person behaves, the more we would be at peace with ourselves, knowing
Oo.
na they are unable to get to us, get through us, even if they try their other ways to, maybe try to get a specific reaction from you. If you're
Mm.
able to
Mm.
determine na saan sila nanggagaling,
Mm.
mas maintindihan mo kung paano mo sila patutunguhan,
Mm.
Mm.
'di ba? And
But
if you have to
but that doesn't mean pare, 'di ba, na unti-unti ka ng malalaglag sa pain, 'di ba? Yung mga
Mm.
sweet talks,
yes,
'di ba? But that doesn't mean
yes,
na oo nga, you will try to understand where they're coming from, but that doesn't mean na mahuhulog ka sa pain nila sa mga manipulation games, sa mga sweet talk. Tama?
right,
Tama ba
that
yun,
that's
Topper?
not we are not gonna let them get their way
Opo,
because
nililinaw lang ho namin mga kaibigan,
Mm.
nililinaw lang namin. Oo.
so honestly, if we're talking about just narcissists or
Mm.
people who actually have who were diagnosed with narcissistic personality disorder,
Mm.
really the only way you can put this is do not engage, do
True.
not interact,
Totoo.
um
That's
hence
true.
na do not give them the satisfaction of a reaction.
Mm.
Ganun lang kasi guys. Kasi again, they will do everything they can. They will and even try to shift the blame on you if they
Pagdating
were
ng
the
araw.
ones who triggered
Mm.
Mm.
your reaction. If you were
Mm.
angry, they bursted out angry. They are the ones who's gonna put the blame back on you and will never take the accountability.
Mm.
So, ano siya, the accountability, the only thing you can do para they can be accountable for their actions is by letting it go, by not engaging with them again.
Mm.
Lalo na kung nalaman mo na, if you know your truth, number two is know your truth. If you know that the reason for your reaction was valid, then stick to that. Don't let them tell you that your reaction is not valid.
Yeah, totoo.
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 So,
Totoo.
ang sa akin lang, very important is how you treat others. If you know that you're a normal functioning human being, um, even though mababa yung self-esteem mo, pero you've come to make peace with your failures in life, na
Mm.
we're never perfect. That's where it starts internally. If you're
Yeah.
able to learn na so many things about yourself na if you just learn to be accountable and really do the work to
Mm-mm.
like to make efforts to improve yourself, you would reach a point na you wouldn't even have to, alam mo yan, put other people down just for you to feel good about yourself.
Mm-mm. Totoo.
Again, not everyone has the capacity to do that. So, kung tayo, meron tayong kapasidad to do that, then good. Then, choose to be kind pa rin. Ako, yun lang sinasabi ko. We have
Oo.
a choice to be kind and to be a better person to others. You have to be kind to yourself.
Pero
You really,
pero again, do
Yeah.
good, be kind to others, but I hope
Mm.
hindi yan ma-mistake. Parang sasabi, don't mistake
Yes.
kindness for weakness. Don't
Mm.
mistake
Correct, guys.
kindness
Please.
don't mistake kindness for naivety. Hindi ka naive, hindi ka weak
Yes.
just because you're
Yes.
kind. Just because
Yes.
ganyan ang sinasabing do not engage, baka magpadala ka sa sweet talk sa manipulation game. Wag po ganun. Wag po ganun.
Mm.
Still, di ba, Topper, correct me if I'm wrong, still, you need to put your guard up, may wall pa rin, may boundary, para hindi ka nadadala sa maling agos sa
Amen.
diba, sa manipulation
Hey,
game.
so very last thing na, very important yung sinasabi ni Tito Job, guys. Kasi you always need to draw the line.
Yes.
That's the important of, you have to sometimes learn how to say no.
Mm-mm.
Again, disengage is part of
Disengage.
saying no.
Yes.
It's part
Mm.
of drawing that line because you are still a human being who also has your own needs
True.
that need to be met, that needs to be respected. We
Mm-mm.
all deserve that. Innately, we have the dignity of respect. So therefore, we should give it. Again, it's not, sometimes it's really learned, it's really taught,
Mm-mm.
but the more na you have the capability, have the edge of knowing,
Mm-mm.
then try to work on, sometimes kasi it's an effect of being a people pleaser.
Mm-mm.
Magkaiba ang pagiging tao na may narcissism sa people pleaser. Sometimes ito na pagka people pleaser ka, in a sense, mababa rin yung self-esteem mo. In a sense naman na you're scared of disappointing people.
Yes.
That's why sometimes we're scared na, kuwari, if a person who's a people pleaser, pinair mo siya with someone who is a narcissist, yun yung na-vulnerable si people pleaser. Yun ang madalas pala, guys, na target ng mga, or target audience ng narcissists.
Mm-mm.
Yung mga people pleaser. Kasi alam
Mm.
nila, gagawin na ng people pleaser lahat.
Mm-mm.
They will pull their guard down, like you said. They will not draw their boundaries. They will not say no. They're just gonna keep on saying yes, just to appease to that person with a narcissistic tendency. Sila yung
Okay.
namamanipulate.
Okay, so dahil dyan, sumisenyo sa si Direk, oo. Martin, you have
Sumisenyo
any
na.
last words for this episode?
Ayan.
Sumisenyo
Ayun,
sa si Direk.
Teka lang, direct, wait lang.
Make it fast daw.
Bale, yun. Lahat na nasabi namin dito, whether you absorb it or not, sana meron siyang aral.
Yes. At the same time,
Regardless,
guys,
regardless kung kukunin nyo siya sa perspective ng kahit sino sa aming tatlo, integrate nyo siya, isa
Yes.
buhay nyo.
Please do integrate it.
Please lang din, may lahat naman tayo expected to do good. Sana lang din, we're gonna do good. Yung i-invest natin na extra mile sa mga kapwa natin.
yes.
Alam nating worth it.
Yes.
Hindi lahat worthy ng extra mile natin. Kahit
Yes.
lalo na yung mga may narcissistic tendencies.
Mm-mm.
Yes.
Kaya piliin nyo pa rin kung sino yung mga pakikisamahan nyo.
Yes.
Stonewalling,
Ano, yung
Mendiola
energy nyo.
wall, lahat
Oo.
ilagay nyo.
Mm-mm.
Kung kinakailangan, guys, is importante ang peace of mind nyo.
Yes.
Is ang peace of mind ng iba.
Yes.
Kayo
Oo.
una, ang pinaka priority, okay?
Mm-mm.
Uh,
Peace of mind, P-E-A-C-E, hindi P-I-S-S, ha?
Oo.
Ganon.
Kaya peace on you.
Peace.
Peace on all of you. Ay, sorry.
Yes. P-E-A. Uy,
Peace
uy,
be with you,
Peace,
ha?
peace.
Hindi
Ay, sorry,
peace
sorry.
be with you, ha?
Hindi
Hindi
P-I-S-S, hindi yun. Hindi rin
Hindi rin
peace kaya.
FIST,
Hindi,
ha?
hindi yun. Wag yun.
Hindi.
Now,
Pwede pa
wag.
yung FEAST. Pwede pa yung feast be with you.
Yun, kain, feast. Dahil dyan, kakain na. Okay, kakain na po tayo mga kaibigan. Okay, dahil dyan, ito na naman, natapos na naman po ulit ang isang episode ng Trentitos ngayong Sunday. Okay, be sure to catch us again next Sunday, March 22, bago tayo mag Lenten break ng 20. Kasi 29 po, naka-break po ang aming production ng March 29 Sunday. So, magbabalik na po kami after ng Lenten season. So, last episode before the Lenten break is March 22. So,
magninilay-nilay tayo, mga guys, ha?
Magtika-tika po, magdasal-dasal, anuman po ang paniniwala, anuman po ang relihiyon nyo. Tayo ho, nawa, ay magbalik loob sa Panginoong Jesucristo dahil sa mga nangyayari po sa paligid, talagang pabalik na po ang ating tagapagligtas na si Jesus. So, because of that, in line with that, tayo ho ay magpapaalam na, boys. Go ahead. Paalam na tayo, boys.
Bye-bye.
Ganun lang.
Alam
Paalam
na.
kayo.
Tito Topper.
Ganun lang. Mabira
Ay, kita-kits
kayo.
na lang ulit next week, ha? Ay, kita-kits na lang ulit tayo.
March 22.
Abangan nyo. Sana...
Uy,
basta-
please naman mag-comment kayo
abangan
sa
nyo.
ano namin para alam namin kung anong magandang pag-usapan next time.
Comment. Mag-comment
Yes,
kayo.
guys.
Mamaya.
Your feedback matters to us.
Yeah.
Okay? Para lalo
Okay.
pang mapaganda natin ang podcast. Kaya, thank you guys.
Okay. Nasa baba po, Topper Carmona. Sa kanan ko po, ito pala. Sa kanan ko po, Martin Palacio, Joe Garcia. Goodbye. See you mga Trentitos next week.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Annyeong!
Bye-bye, Korean Moses. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Guwapong Martin.
Bye-bye, Tito Joe.